Good morning, students. This is Dr. L. Manchu Bhargavi, Assistant Professor Commerce, GFGC, Madhugiri. Course BCom, Subject Commerce, Paper Corporate Accounting 1, Topic Practical Problems on Calculation of Goodwill under Super Profit Method. The topics covered in this session would be Introduction, Practical Problems on Calculation of Goodwill under Super Profit Method. Objectives of the learning: to familiarize the students with the concept of problems on calculation of goodwill under super profit method. And the outcome of the session would be the students will be able to understand how to solve practical problems on calculation of goodwill under super profit method. Introduction. Let's see the introduction part. Goodwill is the value of the reputation of a firm built over the time with respect to the expected future profits over and above the normal profits. We'll see one practical problem. From the following particulars relating to the business of Arushi, compute the value of goodwill on the basis of 3-year purchase of super profits taking over the average of last 4 years. Let's see the information given. Fixed assets is 10 lakh. Current assets 90,000 and current liabilities 1,50,000. Normal rate of return 15%. Managerial remuneration if employed elsewhere would be 8,000 per annum. Profits for the last 4 years were 1,30,000, 1,50,000, 1,60,000 and 1,40,000 respectively. These are the profits for the last 4 years. First, we have to calculate the adjusted average profit. That would be total profit of 4 years divided by number of years. You will get the average profit 1,45,000. From that, we'll reduce the managerial remuneration of 8,000. That would be 1,37,000. Calculation of average capital employed. Fixed assets, current assets, total would be 10,90,000 less current liabilities 1,50,000, that would be 9,40,000 less half of current year profit, that is 70,000. Average capital employed would be 9,40,000 minus 70, 8,70,000. Half of current year profit means the last year profit would be 1,40,000, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ half ಅಂದರೆ 70,000. So average capital employed would come to 8,70,000. And we'll calculate normal profit. Normal profit equal to average capital employed into normal rate of return. That is 8,70,000, which we have found out just now. And then into normal rate of return. We'll see the problems. Average profit we have adjusted, we have found out already. And capital employed also we have found out. And normal profits and super profit, we have to calculate super profit also. Normal rate is 15 by 100. Super profit equal to adjusted average profit minus normal profit. That comes to 6,500. And then finally the value of calculation of goodwill. Goodwill equal to super profit into number of years purchase. That is 3-year purchase is already given in the problem. So 6,500 into 3. The value of goodwill would be 19,500. Thank you students that's all in this session. I hope you have understood this problem. Please work on this problem. Once again, work out in your notebook also. Thank you. See you in the next session. Thank you students.